Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. This time it is Apple Retro Computing. This comes from Milton, FRWTR, Oregon. Whatever the hell that is, I have no idea. So let's open it up. I already opened up the top because it was full of tape. Alright, we have cardboard. And more cardboard and bubble wrap. And we bubble wrap the cardboard, which is odd. More bubble wrap, more cardboard falling on the floor, more cardboard, more cardboard. And finally we get to the box with even another piece of cardboard in it and a piece of cardboard that fell on the floor. So, and he's lined the sides. This is amazing. He lined the sides, or she, with cardboard. So, I'll throw that over there. Alright, this is Dollars and Cents by Monogram. And this came out in 1984. So, this is, let's see, 94, 16, 34 years old. Now, this is a financial program. And this is a great, I had this back in the day before Kathy's housekeeper threw out all my software, and I lost all the boxes that were in storage. So I finally got a copy of this back. The box part came off. I guess tape that. And then this has a cardboard sleeve, which does kind of nothing. You're supposed to stick your disc in there. Okay, so I'll put that in the box. And I keep game boxes. I keep, I don't like just having discs fly around. I keep everything with the boxes and the manuals and all that stuff. Alright, it's not cooperating. Hold on. Alright, in here we have customer information. I'm sure they don't exist anymore. Guy never sent in the warranty card. And what does it say here? Warranty and replacement policy, tech support. Back in the day, you didn't have 800 numbers. You had to call somebody. And they're asking for a breakdown of your demographics. How old you are, what peripherals you try to buy, and all that. Okay, this is another card. This is a copy of their ad. The world's best-selling personal financial management program. Unscramble your nest egg. Dollars and Cents compatible with the 2E and 2C computers. 128 minimum K. 1 5¼ disk drive. 80 column display. 2C only. Well, you can have an 8-column display on a 2E, mine does. Second disk drive option, popular printers, mouse, grappler card, super serial card, color monitor, blank 5¼ or 3½ disk requirement, options, forecast, money link, graphic support, software. And then they run down to features. Double entry accounting, 3 sets of starting accounts, household, business, tax preparation, handles up to 120 accounts, up to 12 checking accounts. Provides instant online help. I wonder if that still runs anymore. Current running balances all times. Execute automatic transactions. Now there's on and on and on. Works with Image Writer, Apple's printer. Supports Apple Unidisc 3½-inch disc. Works with Forecast, Monogram's tax estimating and planning program. And Monogram's Money Link software lets you interact electronically with the world of PC banking. Now, I suspect that Quicken superseded these guys once Quicken came out. I don't remember when Quicken came out. Alright, then there's a disc here. Front boot disc, back systems disc, and another boot disc and back systems disc. And then we have the 128K software. The front is the boot disc, the back is the systems disc. Addendum to the Apple IIc, 2E, customer information, common command keys. And you have a copy of this software, you can stop it and look at the command keys. New menus. I used to use Quicken when it came out. I had Managing Your Money too at one time. And then there's various pages telling you how to do everything with the program. And it goes on for, and how to use your 3.5-inch drive and how to export to AppleWorks. That's on the list of things to do one day, and then get a printer. And then you have this gigantic manual, and it gives you it has a little thing to put your disk in, and your table of contents, and then I'll give you an idea. Here's a chart, monthly liquid assets. It won't apply to me this month, I'll tell you that. Deluxe computer forms. You could order strict printed checks, actuals and budget. And here's one, net income and net worth. So this would do a lot of stuff. And count disk utilities. Here's one, month modify transaction screen. So this is very, very complicated. So I'll have to figure out how to use it. Let's see if I can actually show something that relate, something you would do here. Here's the working reference guide. And now here's a thing you could do to manage your entire investment portfolio. Checking account, money market, common stocks, options, bond, long-term games, short-term games, check interest, brokerage, commission, and check charges. There's all your stuff there. All text, no graphics that I can see. Here's another transaction screen, and here's how you create accounts. And well, you get the idea. Let's see if I can. And here's the kind of printers you could use back in the day, 30 odd years ago. I used to have a silent type and a scribe and a laser printer, but it dropped one day and stopped working. Color laser printer. Apple laser printer. Really hard to find nowadays. Well, anyway, that's dollars and cents. I will fire this up later and show you the software itself, and we'll find out if it runs, because the guy who sold this said he has not tested it. So I don't know if it's going to work or not. But that was accounting software 34 years ago on the Apple IIe or IIc. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great afternoon and evening. Stay warm, wet, dry, or cool, as the case may be. It is 97, and I love how they say, feels like 92. No, it doesn't. It feels like 97. I don't know who started that feels like crap. It's hot out there. It is oddly only 82 in here, so it's comfortable in here, sort of. All right, and so stay safe, people, and I'll be back later with another video and live tonight. Bye-bye for now. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and please subscribe and push the bell button and donate to my channel. Excuse me, my voice is going. All right, catch you next time. Bye-bye.